Hello instructors. Do your adult learners struggle with math anxiety or foundational gaps? In this video, we'll explore how explicit math instruction can make a world of difference. Learn practical strategies to teach math clearly, reduce confusion, and boost your learners' confidence every step of the way. Smart teaching: why and how to provide explicit math instructions to adult students. 1. Address learning gaps. Many adult learners have varied math backgrounds and may lack essential skills. Explicit instruction systematically breaks down concepts, ensuring everyone builds a solid foundation. This proactive approach prevents learners from feeling lost. 2. Reduce math anxiety. Clear, step-by-step explanations demystify mathematical processes. This structured approach can lower anxiety and increase learners' willingness to engage with math. Confidence grows with understanding. 3. Model problem solving. Teachers should demonstrate the exact steps to solve various problem types. Verbalize the thinking process and explain the reasoning behind each action. This provides a clear roadmap for learners to follow. 4. Use precise language. Employ accurate mathematical terms and definitions. Avoid ambiguity and ensure learners understand the vocabulary associated with each concept. Clarity in language promotes clarity and understanding. 5. Provide multiple examples. Illustrate each concept with a variety of examples, progressing from simple to more complex. This helps learners see the application of the skill in different contexts. Varied examples solidify learning. 6. Check for understanding frequently. Regularly ask targeted questions to gauge comprehension. Use quick formative assessments like thumbs up, down, or brief written responses. This allows for immediate feedback and adjustments to instruction. 7. Offer guided practice. Provide opportunities for learners to practice new skills with teacher support. Gradually release responsibility as learners demonstrate mastery. This scaffolded approach builds independence. Explicit math instruction creates a supportive and clear learning environment for adult students. By directly teaching concepts, modeling problem solving, and consistently checking for understanding, you empower learners to build a strong mathematical foundation and achieve success. This approach addresses learners' anxieties and fosters confidence in their math ability.